Motorola smartphones used to be known for their good build quality, near-stock Android UI, quick updates, and good prices. In the recent past, though, we have seen slower software updates, while the prices of its smartphones have been steadily rising. For example, the Moto G6 Plus was launched recently at Rs. 22,499, which is higher than what other G-series smartphones have been priced at in the past. The Moto G6 review and the Moto G6 Play review have weaker processors than their current competition, which makes them feel like they don't offer as much value for money as previous Moto G models. Motorola, now under the management of Lenovo, has partnered with Google to launch the new One Power smartphone, which is a part of the Android One program. It is priced at Rs. 15,999, which is good compared to other recently launched Motorola products. However, with popular smartphones such as the Nokia 6.1 Plus review, Asus ZenFone Max Pro M1 review, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro review, in the market at the exact same price, the Motorola One Power has some serious competition. The One Power is the first smartphone from Motorola in India to sport a notch. It has a big 6.2-inch display and a Motorola logo below it. The phone is slightly bulky, measuring close to 9 mm in thickness, and weighs 205 grams. It makes its presence felt in the hand, and you will feel fatigue when you hold it for a while. The device has a metal backplate, but the sides are made out of plastic. In comparison, the Nokia 6.1 Plus uses glass in its construction, which gives it a premium look. The One Power has a dual camera setup at the back, and the camera module houses both lenses along with a dual-tone LED flash. This phone has a fingerprint scanner at the back, and the positioning is spot on. Either of your index fingers will rest on it naturally. Moto